Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Shockproof Living. We're gonna show you how to troubleshoot and change some electrical items in your household. First thing you want to do is you always want to make sure that your outlet doesn't have any power. We got this easy circuit breaker tool finder from Klein Tools, which really helps a lot. You can find these anywhere, Home Depot, Amazon. I'll put a link in the description in case. So we're just gonna plug it in. As you can see right now, we have power. Now we're gonna go over to the electrical box panel. Find that breaker, shut it down so we can do our work safely. All right, we're gonna turn this on. We want to run it down each breaker nice and slow. Nope, that's not it. Right there, that's the one. We're gonna shut that one down. All right, looks like we shut it down. Let's go back and double check. As you can see, it has turned off. Now it is now safe to work on it. So let's start taking this apart. Well, we got this screwless plate. We just want to pull it off. We always want to double check, make sure we have no power. This is a non-contact voltage tester. Always double check. You never know. We're going to be replacing this receptacle with this USB outlet from Leviton. That way we don't have to add any cords or unnecessary things. We can just put that in. All right, let's take this apart. You got the green. This one, the ground, you either find it in a green color or bare. Then we got the white, which they stabbed in the back. To remove these, you can, oh, this one just popped right out. You can give them a twist back and forth, and you can work them out or just cut and get yourself a new piece. Here we got the new outlet. We got the ground. Your silver terminal is always going to be for your white wire. The bronze terminal is always going to be your hot wire, which will be black, sometimes red. That's what we got here. We're going to start with the ground. Put it on the green. Tighten it up nice and firm. Got the white wire. That looks a little short, so we're going to strip a little bit more. And this, you want to slide right behind the tab. Snug it up. Do the same with the hot. Slide it in. Make sure it's snug. Always double check your connections. Make sure they're tight. Now you want to easy work the wires all the way to the back, making sure you don't touch or nick anything inside. Now we're just gonna screw it back in. Make sure it's nice and straight. Snug it. You don't want to over tighten it. You don't want to get pushed back. Now we're going to put this same cover back on. These are really nice. It's a screwless cover. This is the back plate. We're going to screw that one in, tighten it up. Nice and snug, not over tightened. And then we'll put the cover plate back on. Looks really good. Now we're going to turn the power back on. All right. We're gonna double check with this. All right, we got power again. And the two yellow lights are on. According to the diagram here, it's correct wiring. If you have any different orientation with the lighting, it will be shown here if you have anything wrong with your wiring. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Shockproof Living. Thank you.